called it love, a gilded cage by the window. Sunlight poured in like honey, fresh fruit sliced with devotion, water changed before it stilled, every need anticipated before it could become a need. The parrot gleamed, feathers polished in safety, voice trained into laughter, its colors brighter than the sky. It was never allowed to touch. You are safe here, the master said, fingers gentle practiced, the same hands that clip the wings, not cruelly, not carelessly, with precision, with reason. The world is harsh, he whispered, storms, hunger, teeth in the dark. You wouldn't survive out there, you don't know how. And the parrot believed him, because the fruit was sweet, because the water was clean, because the cage was never locked loudly. It learned to sing gratitude, afraid of questions. It forgot the shape of distance, the muscle memory of sky, the terrifying challenge of choosing direction. Sometimes, before falling asleep, it would stretch what remained of its wings, feel the phantom ache of something once whole, and call it longing, only until morning.